Welcome to How It's Fixed. In today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2016 Infiniti QX60. To start the takeout process, we will need to take out the clips and screws from the bottom, then on both sides, and then finally from the top. So let's jump into this. Underneath the car, I noticed there are some straightforward screws. On the side of the bumper, you would see there is one screw here, one screw there, which is attached with the fender liner, and you just take that out. There's also a third screw here as well. So I took out the screws from this side. From the middle, I don't know if someone has taken this bumper before or not. This clip is just hanging there for no reason. So I suppose there might be a cover underneath the engine, and that cover goes all the way to the bumper. In the perfect world, if you're trying to take out your bumper, you should consider expecting some of the clips in this hole. Here, there's one in the middle, and going all the way till the other end. Do expect some clips to be something like this. Pretend I took out some clips from the middle, and if you're following me, you should take out these clips as well. The other side had an accident, and I do see the remains of this screw here and the other screw there, similar to the other side which we just took out. And since the other side had an accident, so there's nothing to open from there, but the process I showed you from the other side, it's the exact same process from this side as well. Underneath part is done. Now we jump on to the sides, and you will see there are 3 straightforward screws right there. There you would notice a 10mm screw which we need to take out. Now we slightly pull the bumper. Now this side is damaged, but I would have done the same, would have taken those 3 screws with one 10mm screw on this corner. In the perfect world, if you're trying to take this side out, it's the exact same stuff from the other side. Now we open the hood and take out some clips from top of the bumper. It's supposed to be one clip there, there's one clip here, and then 2, one again there, and all the way till the other end. So these are the clips you're supposed to take out. In my case, some of them are already gone, but whatever it's there, I will take those clips out. After taking the clips from this side, I noticed there are also some clips on the other side as well. You'd see there, one there, and one in the beginning. So those also need to be taken out. After taking out that cover on top, I noticed on this side, you would see there's a screw right there, which is attached from the edge of the bumper with the fender. So we need to take that screw out right there. And the same goes on the other end. But this end, since there was an accident and there is no bumper, that's the reason why we only take it out from one side. So everything is pretty much taken out. Now we slightly pull the complete bumper. Since this bumper has a camera on the front grille, so we need to take out the plug for that. Also, we need to take out the fog light plug as well. So there we took out the front bumper. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and we will be happy to answer. And if this process helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. We usually come up with videos like this. Here's the link of other DIY videos which we have done. Feel free to take a look at them and we will catch you in the next video.